Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have the Boxycharm by Ipsy for the month of November. This is going to be a full unboxing and review, and if there's anything I can demo, I will. And we're going to do all of the goodies inside this box. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe, because that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into the November Boxycharm by Ipsy, stay tuned. All right, so of the three Boxycharm, Ipsy, and Icon Box for the month, I'm pretty sure that this video is going up first, despite the fact that it's the one I'm filming last, just because I feel like it is one of those boxes where I had to fix the lighting because the sun keeps moving. It feels like one of those boxes where I like the products inside, but I don't love the box, but the products are good. It's just not an exciting box, and I will get right into that now. First item out of the box is one I have already reviewed on this channel and I am a huge fan of. It is the Drunk Elephant and Chris McMillan Silk Amino Mega Moisturizing Mask Hair. This is the Drunk Elephant hairline. I have already gone through a full size of this product. I'm actually a big fan of it. I prefer, like in this whole collection, the Silk Amino line, I feel like the leave-in conditioner is my favorite, but I like this enough to go through a whole of it. So it on its own covers the value of the box. It's pretty pricey. So for that reason, like, it's not a bad box at all. But I don't get excited. This is weird, but for me, I like these boxes to introduce me to products I wouldn't have tried or products that I wouldn't normally gravitate towards to show me what I'm missing out on. And unfortunately, when I get something I've already used, even if I love it, like, if I love it, I can always buy myself the replacement. I want the boxes to introduce me to something I might not have bought on my own. The next item out of the box is actually one I have used and I don't love. This is the Galactic Lash Play Duo Mascara. It is a lengthening side on one side and then a detailing side on the other side. They say that the detail side is for your lower lashes. I have said this before. I do not like putting mascara on my lower lashes. I know that there are people who their eyes don't feel done if they haven't done bottom lash mascara. I'm not that person. I would prefer to go in with a smoky liner and skip out on the lower mascara altogether. I don't love this formula. It's going to be a pass for me. All right, the next item is from Alamar Cosmetics, and it is the Destino eyeshadow palette. I actually did not understand the packaging and almost broke it before I opened it, so -1 point for that. But you have to slide that, and it will unlock it so you can open this without breaking the palette. The palette is stunning, and Alamar has been one of those brands where ever since they launched in a Boxycharm years ago, their palette formula is phenomenal. I have 2 or 3 of their other palettes, so really excited to try the formula. Their shimmers are insane. So I'm really excited to play this color right here, Estrella, which is this lavender taupey purple. Just looks so pretty. I want to put that all over my face and bathe in it. So let me know if you want to see this in a future video, if you want to see me use this. If not, I will just play with it on my own. But let me know if you want to see this in a look. I would now, but I already kind of have this wash-a-color monochromatic thing going on. Next item out of the box is from Lovecraft, and it is the retractable lip liner and brush. So this is in the shade Space Bay, which I don't know what that has to do with the product, but on one side it is a lip liner, and on the other side it is a retractable lip liner. I love when these duos have an actual brush attached, because you can line and then use this to feather instead of using your finger. All I have on my lips right now is a lip balm and a lip gloss. So I'm actually going to take this and give myself a little bit more definition. I don't want a lot. You'll notice I'm really just giving a tiny bit of definition to the outside of my lip, because my lips are not naturally even. So I will overline on one side just so that it ends up looking even in the long run. Definitely a very pretty color, nice and neutral. I will smudge a tiny bit, and I think it still looks very good. Now, in the future, I would probably apply it under the lip gloss for sure, but it actually glided on nice and smooth, which sometimes you can do that with a liner, other times you can't. So definitely lucked out there. And the last item is from La Palette, I can't speak. La Palette? La Palette? Couldn't tell you. It is the Hydra Blue Petal Serum Toner. It is a multi-skin 3-in-1 toner, serum, and hydrogel mask. Hydrogel petal capsule. After washing your face, take a suitable amount to the whole face and let it absorb into the skin. Paraben mineral oil, free, so decent ingredients. Taking a quick look. Bergamot, that's going to smell delicious. Yeah, the ingredients do look good. I like that it has a safety seal sticker on there, so you know it is a fresh box. Oh, it's got cute little blue petals in there. This is really cute looking. I like when things have good packaging, but I will say, when you have petals inside, especially like the fresh rose toner, it becomes goopy gook by the time you're done using it, just because the way that the product like ages, it's going to get gooey. So might not be the best, but we're going to have to put it to use and try it out because it might be amazing. You never know. All right, looking at the box as a whole, as always, if I got my $30 to $40 value out of it, that's how you determine if it's a good box. And right away with the hair mask, definitely got my value out of it. It is a good box. It's just not the type of box I get excited for. And I don't know the best way to say that without coming off as a spoiled, entitled brat. But I look at a Boxycharm, I want to be introduced to products I've never tried before. I want to try things that are new and exciting. And the product that I've used up 6-8 months ago is not new, it's not exciting. Happy I'm not going to have to buy a new one because I did really enjoy this. However, I want to try new things. Things like a palette that I might not have purchased on my own, because even though that purple is so pretty, I don't typically go for warm tone greens. Like, that's not a cool green. I like an olive. That is a little bit more of a warm tone green. You know, there's a lot of warmth down in some of these colors, and I tend to go more for cool tones. So excited to try this because it's not something I would have purchased on my own, even though I know I'm going to end up loving it, if that makes any sense. So, as always, let me know your thoughts down below. I would love to hear it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.